Hello, my name is Jim Jensen. I'm the author of this book, Expand the Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And I was very blessed to have been exposed to these teachings at the young age of 27. I got off to a good start in business, and people would ask me oftentimes, did I attribute to my success? And I'd give them stock answers like, well, I work hard, I've got a good attitude, very positive. But in hindsight, nothing that would really help them. And at the age of 27, I was encouraged to attend a 4-day seminar based on the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, who's a big part of this book as well. And for the first time, I really understood the principles of performance in a way that I could teach them to other people and have effective benefit to them. The book stresses the incredible value of our subconscious. We know that we have a conscious area of the mind, which does most of our thinking. Right now you're listening to me, your conscious mind is assessing what you're hearing, what you're going to do tonight, what you're going to have for dinner. But the subconscious, most people today that are in school are taught that the subconscious, as what I learned when I was in school, handles our bodily functions. It grows our hair, it heals a wound, it digests our food. But what is still not taught in most schools today is that the subconscious is a servo mechanism that operates 24/7, carrying out the instructions given to it by the conscious area of the mind. And it's totally non-judgmental, so it will work just as hard to achieve a negative instruction as it will a positive. The example we use in the book is to visualize an ocean liner going across the sea, and the captain would be like the conscious area of the mind up on the helm of the ship, barking out signals to the crew, which would be like the subconscious. They're down in the hold of the ship, under the water level, can't even see where the ship is going. And the captain says, full speed ahead, 10 degrees north, port side, da-da-da-da. And the crew just says, aye, aye, sir, and carries out the orders, not minding whether they run the ship into the rocks, hit another vessel, or get it safely to its destination. Once we understand more fully how this works, and this book describes it in detail, we can take more control over what we are saying to ourselves all day long and check ourselves when we say something like, gosh, I always get nervous when I get in front of a group where I can never remember names. Like, wait, time out. I used to get nervous, but now I actually enjoy sharing things and meeting with large groups. I always have a very good memory, and I really, do a good job memorizing names, and we reprogram the instructions given to the subconscious area of the mind. Highly recommend it. Expand the power of your subconscious mind. Thank you.